Hey guys, just testing a little bit of the jetting, or just seeing how she idles. So I'm running a PJ carb, which doesn't want to idle at all because it's tied to the choke circuit. So unless you really lean out that circuit, it won't idle. But I had that weird surging going on, so I increased the pilot up a bit. I think I was at a 48. I'm now at a 52, and I moved the needle basically down one clip. Let me know what you think. Yeah, the PJs are notorious for not wanting to idle. There's just not a dedicated idle circuit with an idle screw. So if I stick with the PJ, this is probably as good as I'm going to get it. And the problem is when you're riding and you pull in the clutch and you're kind of idling along, you might stall, but we'll have to see. I just didn't like that surge. So, originally I thought it might be an air leak, but I'm not so sure anymore. One more time. Ugh, I'm good with the left kick here. Yep. So, until I take her to the track, there's really no way to know. But it's fun in the garage, I guess.